What's up everybody? So in the last video I mentioned that me and Carol were gonna start cooking some local Filipino dishes, so this is gonna be the first video I think of many where we try and cook the Filipino food. As I mentioned, we're gonna be cooking more vegetable dishes with fish because we don't eat chicken, pork or lamb, so it's gonna be more vegetarian dishes I think. And in today's video we're gonna start off with what we think will be kind of an easy one. It's called Pancit Bihon, Vegetarian Pancit Bihon. It's actually a dish that we've ate before in restaurants, so yeah, we thought it would be a good dish to start off with, and it's one that we enjoy in restaurants, so it will be a good one to learn to cook at home. Carol's been looking up online at sites that show you how to cook it, right?
Yes, I think I've read many recipes and I think all of them are a bit different from each other, but we're gonna try to cook with the vegetables that we have, and we hope it's gonna be tasty.
Yes, so I'll show you what vegetables we're gonna be using. So we have this cabbage here. We got some calamansis, which from what I understand you squeeze on top of it at the end. We're also gonna be making some calamansi juice. It's supposed to be like a lemon flavor apparently, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to cooking with this and also making the juice. We also have onion that we're gonna need. And then I think in our variation we're gonna put some mushrooms. These shiitake mushrooms, we read that you can include that. And then I think we're gonna have some garlic as well as usual. And then here in the fridge we have some other things. So got the carrots, we'll use those, got quite a few carrots. And we also got the sayote, I think you call it in the Philippines. I think in the Western countries we call it chayote. I'm not sure, so we'll use that as well. So I'm just gonna go to the store quickly to get the noodles because we don't have those, and also get some soy sauce and oyster sauce I think, because we read that you need to use both those sauces. So yeah, I'm gonna head there now. So I can just go to the store nearby, the one that's like 30 seconds away that you saw in one of the first videos around here, and I think that should have all the noodles and the soy sauce and stuff. Here we go once again, Renner store. Hello. So here you can see all the different noodles. I think the one we want. Oh look who's back. Doggo. This guy always comes up to us. This is the noodles that we want. Super golden bihon. Proudly Philippines made. They also have these other ones as well. That is Pancit Canton. A bit of a different dish. Thicker noodles. Hello. Might get these as well. Maybe we can put some corn in there, whole corn. I'll take it anyway. They also have these packets of oyster sauce, which is what we need I think. So I'll probably get a few of those. They also have loads of different seasonings and stuff here for vegetables. Yeah, just loads of different options. What's he doing? Trying to get my food. Oh, we got another one here. Hello there. We got another one. The whole crew. Hello. Do you have soy sauce? Okay, thank you. I got this. So got all the ingredients laid out here of what we're going to use for this dish now. Just to give you some prices, the Bihon little noodles are 25, very cheap. Going to be using this palm oil as well, which is 32 pesos. The corn 65, the mushrooms 48. This soy sauce is only 8 pesos. And this I'm not sure, but I imagine it's very cheap as well. And the vegetables I bought the other day, but I think probably all those vegetables and the fruit will be definitely less than $1, so yeah, all pretty cheap.
So Chris is now cleaning the ingredients.
Yeah, don't want no dirty vegetables.
Yeah.
First things first, we're gonna cook the noodles. So Carol's just filling up the pan there with water. And from the site that we're reading, it says to boil this vegetable seasoning in the water, and then that will give the noodles a bit of a nice taste.
You're not crying this time.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, so now that the water's boiling, I'm gonna put the noodles in. It actually comes with 2 separate pieces. Look at that.
Oh, really?
I think we're gonna put it all, right? Might as well cook it all. Alright, let's put it in here then. There we go. From what we read, it's very quick. I think in about 2 or 3 minutes it's supposed to be ready, so yeah, it's gonna be very quick. Yeah, so I didn't mention before, we're going to be using 2 carrots, 2 of the sayotes, and this whole cabbage head. So we're still preparing the vegetables, but we think we probably got way too many vegetables here. I mean, look at all this, and we've only got this for noodles, so it seems like way more vegetables than noodles right now, but yeah, we'll work it out. Now all the vegetables are cut, we're gonna start cooking it now. Do you know how long we gotta leave it there?
No, I don't know. We just gotta see the color and the texture.
Yeah.
You will know when it's done.
We know how to cook vegetables, so we'll know when it's done. So first we're putting in the things that need to be cooked a bit longer, stir-fried a bit longer, like the mushrooms, garlic and onion. And then the things that are quicker we'll put in towards the end. So we're now going to put 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's what the recipe says anyway. Smells great. Smells really good.
We also gotta put the oyster sauce.
How much?
It says only 1 tablespoon.
Oh, that's thick. It's enough,
really?
right? Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Should we put the rest in now?
I think so.
Okay. So there it is, the veggie mix complete. Way too many vegetables though. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in there.
Yeah, just a little bit.
So it don't get too dry. Maybe we should use more soy sauce because we put so much vegetables.
Yeah, probably.
Probably, it's there. Yeah, there we go. We think this is cooked enough now. Now we're just gonna put in the last part, the noodles. Take it away, Carol.
Okay.
That is so much food. Look at the size of this pan, guys. So, like, we filled all that up with vegetables and noodles. We can feed the village now.
Yeah. We're gonna put a little bit of black pepper to give a special taste.
Yeah, give it an extra kick. It actually ended up being fine, the amount of noodles to vegetables. We thought it was way too much noodles, but if you look at it now, it's actually a nice mix. A lot of vegetables, obviously, but I mean, it is a veggie dish, but there's still, as you can see, loads of noodles there. And we ended up putting way more soy sauce in there since it was a lot more food than we were planning for. Got food for the entire week.
Yeah.
The color looks good now though, right? The noodles are darker, so you can see that it's absorbed all the sauces.
And the smell is very good.
Yeah, the smell is good. Can't wait to dig in. So while Carol's finishing up there, I'm gonna try and do the calamansi juice. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, so let's see how it looks on the inside.
Oh, it's orange.
Oh, it's orange inside. So people say it's more like a lemon taste though, but yeah, it's orange. That's pretty interesting. So I guess I'll take the seeds out and then squeeze. And I think because they're so small, from what I read, I have to put quite a lot in. We're gonna save 1 or 2 for the meal to squeeze it over the food. And yeah, I might just put all of them into this and then mix it with water. Not sure how strong that is.
Yeah. We're gonna add water
and sugar, I think.
and sugar, yeah, just like a lemon juice.
I need to add more to that. Maybe like that.
Yeah, I wish we had a jar, like a big jar. We just have that one with water, so we cannot use it to do the juice.
The color looks nice. But first I'm gonna see how it is without sugar. Yeah, definitely very sour, like a lemon. Get a spoon maybe? Maybe 2? Not sure. Oh, that's much better. Yeah, it's really nice, refreshing. Very citric, obviously, but yeah, nice refreshing beverage. That's why it's popular here in the Philippines, because it's so hot, and it's really hot right now, so yeah, perfect. So we've come outside as usual, like every video. It's actually a basketball game going down here. People that live here. So you ready to do the taste test?
Yes. So I think I should put this.
Yeah, squeeze it,
Yeah,
I guess.
squeeze it.
Something citric on noodles seems weird to us, right?
Yeah, but let's try it.
Yeah, the Filipinos say it's tasty.
Yeah, it's good.
Could be a bit better.
What?
Could it be a bit better?
I think maybe we should have put a little bit more salt.
Salt or soy sauce, maybe?
I mean, because we were afraid because of the soy sauce, sometimes it gets too salty. But
I think that's also because since you're from Brazil, Brazilians like salty food, right?
yeah.
Here in Asia, sometimes it's kind of milder, the salt.
I think most of the time that we eat in a restaurant around here, I usually feel, oh, I need more salt.
Yeah.
Because of Brazil, but but it's very good.
How's the vegetables?
Yeah, I think they're kind of crunchy.
Yeah, that's how it is when we eat at a restaurant here, right? They're always crunchy.
Crunchy, yeah.
Yeah.
Now your turn to try it.
My turn. Oh no, first have the juice. I've already tried it. Calamansi juice.
Did you put sugar?
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. It's kind of a mix of tangerine and lemon.
Yeah, it's different, right?
Yeah, but it's very good. Like you said, in a hot weather, it's very refreshing.
Yeah, and I read that you can put honey in it, so that would be really tasty, I think, honey. I'll try and get loads of vegetables. What is it, the kids waving?
Hello!
Hello! They're in the tree?
Yeah.
Alright, my turn. No, I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think for me it's okay. I think you like saltier food than me, but for me, yeah, it's very tasty. A lot of flavor, right?
Did you put the calamansi?
Oh yeah.
No.
Let me try with the calamansi now.
You feel any difference?
Not completely different with the calamansi, yeah. Yeah, that's interesting. I thought like citrus and noodles and vegetables wouldn't work, but yeah, it does actually work. Very different. Never tasted anything like that before. When we've eaten it in restaurants, I don't think we ever put the calamansi, right?
No.
We get it, but we never use it.
Yeah, we never knew what the calamansi was for, but now we know. Would you guys, Filipinos, eat this with us? Do you think it looks tasty?
Yeah, how does it look? Give us a score out of 10
Yeah.
on appearance. So look at everything that's left here. I think that's at least like 4 more plates for us, 4 or 5 plates. So we definitely overcooked, but yeah, we got food for the next few days now. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed our cooking once again. Me and Carol were just saying we're probably gonna buy like hundreds of those calamansis now, because yeah, they really are so delicious. Now I know what you guys were talking about when you kept saying they're tasty. Pretty much everyone always comments about calamansi, so yeah, it's awesome, and the juice is amazing and probably very healthy. I mean, that dish is pretty healthy, I think, with all those vegetables. Maybe a bit too much soy sauce, I'm not sure, but yeah, pretty healthy dish overall. And a lot of you guys have been dropping loads of recommendations of other vegetarian meals to eat, fish dishes, stuff like that. So we have been going through them all. We're making a list and we're gonna decide what we're gonna cook probably for the next video. Yeah, we'll just have to see. We don't know what dish it's gonna be, but yeah, just keep giving us ideas, because we're reading all the comments, and yeah, it's just good that you're giving us different ideas on what to cook. So if you like the video, just drop us a like to support us. Follow us on Instagram if you like to see what we're doing in real time. Subscribe to this channel if you like to see more videos like this from the Philippines, and we'll see you in the next one.